Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create multiple accounts on Telegram. And for this you need to know one single setting, because if we are here in our chat, we need to hold the settings option right in the bottom, and from here we can tap on add account. Then from here we need to fill in our phone number, and if we do that and tap on continue, you will see that Telegram is saying this account is already logged in from this app. So you need a new phone number to create a new account, and you can do that by creating a new verification number on an app or website, but I think that costs you money. But I'm here to fix things, but I'm also here to tell you the truth how apps are working. And this is how you can create multiple accounts on the nice or with the good policy from Telegram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.